Hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to go through my February empties. But before we do that, I'm going to go over a couple of products I'm wearing. I have on my eyes the Peony Wonder Bloom in Golden Vervain. So it is this golden shade and then this more like purpley shade. I've got the gold all over with the purple just very lightly on the outer corners. This is a lot, and it is hard to blend out. This sticks to your face. I tried and I just couldn't even get it all the way blended out, but it's pretty. I don't know if this is something I'm gonna reach for because it's very intense, and I don't know, you guys will have to give me your opinions on this, but while it is gorgeous, it is like intense. And then on my lips, I've got the Ruby Shimmer Glass from Tarte. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump, and I think that is gorgeous. I love it. These are so good. I love these products. But that is all I wanted to share with you guys. Now let's get into the empties. Okay, so let's get started with random little packets of things. I used up a bath bomb. I don't remember which one this was, but it was wonderful. And then I used two 100% pure masks, the anti-acne sheet mask and the collagen boost sheet mask. I have been showering early on Sundays and then putting these on and watching my Sunday night show, and it's just been very relaxing little routine, so that's been fun. I also used the 100% pure Bright Eyes, their eye brightening little gels, which are very nice. And then while we traveled, I used up one of my little sample packets of the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. These are perfect. This is the perfect size and amount that you need for just a little weekend away. So I love these. These are great, and this is one of my favorite products. I have one skincare product I've finished this month. It's the Earth Harbor Obscura Detoxifying Reset Ampule. This is kind of just like a hydrating, oily little extra something. I put this on either before or after my moisturizer, depending on if it's morning or night, and I think this is a great product. It's one of the best Earth Harbor products in my opinion, and I actually got another one in a different subscription box, so I'm already using this again. I've already opened my new one. It's a really good little extra added thing to add moisture to the skin, and I think it's fantastic. I finished up the Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Natural Peppermint Toothpaste. As always, I love this toothpaste. It's my absolute favorite. I do have a problem with the packaging. It gets very hard to squeeze once you get down to the bottom. I know there's a ton more product in there and I just cannot get it out, even with a squeezer thing. So, like a tube squeezer thing. So that's annoying, but this is my favorite toothpaste and I will continue to repurchase it. I have 3 makeup products I've finished, or sort of. This is kind of makeup, kind of just lip care. This is the Balm in Lemon and Black Pepper. Is that the brand Balm? Yeah. And so this is a really nice lip balm. I've got a few of these. I do think they're overpriced for what they are, so once the ones I have are used up, I won't be repurchasing just because I think the price is a little exorbitant, but they are a nice lip balm. This is the one I had at my bathroom vanity, so I would use it in there, and yeah, just got through it and it's really nice. I don't notice the lemon and black pepper scent all that much. I don't really pick up a strong scent from these. There's something there, but it doesn't even catch my mind. It's so faint. So good product, a little expensive. The next product I used up is also kind of lip care, or at least I use it in that capacity, but it does have like the tiniest tint to it. So this is the Tarte, what are they called? Lip quenches or something like that. The text is so tiny. Quench Lip Rescue. This was in the color Nude, and I've used it down to the nub. I love these. Really good product. I really like Tarte lip products, so I'll probably repurchase these. I don't think they're sold at Sephora anymore. I think you have to actually buy these from the Tarte website, although I haven't checked Ulta. I don't go to Ulta very often, but they might be sold there. But I do really love the lip quenches, especially the Nude one. It's so easy to throw in your purse and just reapply on the go. You don't need a mirror, and you're glossy but also hydrated. These are really nice. And then the last makeup product I used up is from Eye of Horus. It's their Lash Lift Mascara, and I think it's just in their black color. Now this I really like, and I know it's old because literally so much debris just fell on my desk when I just pulled this out. It's definitely dried up, but there's a reason that you get a lot of debris. I'm going to show you. So here's the brush. It has a really cool design. The construction of the brush is really cool, and it does actually lend to lifting lashes really well. It does its job 100%, but it is flat on the other side. So you end up getting so much product because the wiper does not work properly, or maybe just isn't shaped according to the way it needs to be. So you end up having to wipe off so much product, and then that product ends up gooking up around the coil here to turn it in and out. I don't know any of this language. And it makes such a mess. So every time I open this, I get a pile of dried up mascara bits all over my desk, and it's so annoying. So for that reason alone, I won't be repurchasing this, but it was such a good mascara. If you can put up with the annoyances of the form factor here, it's a great mascara. It lifts the lashes so well. It makes the lashes gorgeous, just messy and annoying to use. Leading from makeup to a makeup product I'm just going to get rid of, this is the Maybelline Color Sensational Matte Siren and Scarlet Lipstick. And I don't know if you'll be able to tell, it's a mess in there. Mine has fallen off into the lid. I've got it back in there, but I don't know if I want to fight with this just to use this lipstick. The color is beautiful. It's not vegan, it's not cruelty free. It's not something I'd ever repurchase. And I think I'm done trying to fight with it and fight with the mess and getting my fingers dirty just to try and use it. So I'm just going to throw this one out. And then the last two items I'm sharing are items that are nearly entirely full, but I'm just going to get rid of them and give them to a friend because they're not working for me. The first is the Evio Beauty Perfect Primer Matte Finish. I don't care for matte finish, but I gave it a try anyway. And I find that this actually pills and causes a lot of pilling with the other products that I like to use. So since it's not playing friendly in the playground, I am just going to give this away to a friend. The next item is from Pixie, and this is their In Shower Steam Facial. I do not have the coordination to use this product. So I put it on and I'm doing the rest of my shower stuff and it just gets wet. I just get my face so wet. And part of it is that our shower, we really need to change out the shower head to an adjustable one because it's so high up and it's a pain in the butt for me to try and move it around and change it. So if I did have that access, I would probably not have as much trouble with this, but we're probably not going to get around to that anytime soon. Just being realistic, it's not a priority. So this is just a pain in the butt because I keep getting my face wet and I hate the way it feels with the water hitting the product on my face. It's just ugh. So I'm going to give this away to a friend who is going to probably get more enjoyment out of this than I am. I can't really speak to the efficacy, how it works, because every time I put it, I've tried it 2 times to be honest. I ended up rinsing it off pretty quickly because the sensations were just icky to me. So giving that away. And you know, while I'm thinking about it, I think I'm going to give this away too. These are colors that I probably have versions of already in my collection, and using them together, while it's beautiful, it's just not something I'm going to reach for. I'm going to give this away to a friend too while I'm thinking about it. So those are my empties for February. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!